Hey, I'm Jo, and I welcome you to my kitchen and to my delicious baby-friendly recipes, which are also very easy to make. I have this dish of potatoes with eggs and cheese in the oven that is absolutely delicious and you definitely must try it. For this, you need 1 kilogram and 200 grams of potatoes, 5 eggs, 170 grams of cheese, butter, 200 milliliters of milk, 200 milliliters of sour cream, and an egg. First, I boiled and peeled the potatoes and the eggs. Now I'm going to cut them in slices. Slices that I will put in this dish. But first, I will grease the dish with some butter. Now it goes like this. 1 layer of potatoes. Now 1 layer of eggs. I also cut them in thin slices. I will add the cheese. I'll continue with another layer of potatoes. Now what I'm going to do is mix the sour cream with the milk. I'll also mix the egg and add it to the milk and the sour cream. I'll mix this together. Then I'll add this to the whole dish. You can also use a spoon to spread it equally. You put this in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Time's up. Let's get it out of the oven. Now let it reach the temperature of the room. Then you cut it and you enjoy it. Hope this was a useful recipe for you. I have more to share, so subscribe to my channel and we can keep in touch. Take care. Bye.